Hey everyone! I hope you're all doing great today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the self-sponsorship visa route for the UK, which allows you to establish your own company and use it to sponsor your entry and employment in the UK through a skilled worker visa. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about the self-sponsorship visa pathway, including visa validity, total costs, processing timelines, bringing family members, types of businesses you can establish, main requirements, and how to obtain a sponsor license. So make sure to watch until the end, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for upcoming updates. Recently, the UK government increased the minimum salary threshold for overseas workers applying for the skilled worker visa by about 48%. This move aims to reduce overall migration numbers. However, with the self-sponsorship route, you don't need to worry about these changes, making this pathway particularly advantageous right now. The self-sponsored visa can be valid for up to 5 years, with costs ranging from £464 to £1,400. The processing time typically takes between 3 to 6 months, depending on your business setup. This route can also lead to settlement in the UK, and you can bring along your dependents, including your partner and children. Now, let's talk about the type of company you can start. You can own shares in the business, and there's no minimum investment required. This means that even if you have limited funds, you can still qualify for this route. The self-sponsorship route isn't a specific visa type, but rather a pathway for individuals looking to start a business and live in the UK. This mainly involves setting up a company and appointing yourself as a skilled worker within that business, which allows you to apply for a skilled worker visa. You can either create a new business or take over an existing one. While on this route, your company must pay you a guaranteed salary that aligns with the minimum pay requirements for your role. Essentially, you'll be paying yourself. Yes, this pathway allows you to apply for a skilled worker visa, which means you can bring your spouse or partner and children under 18 to the UK with you. The visa can be issued for a maximum of 5 years, and the cost ranges from £464 to £1,400. Generally, the entire process of setting up a business and obtaining a skilled worker visa can take anywhere from 3 to 6 months, depending on the specifics of your business. You can renew your self-sponsored skilled worker visa based on the length of your certificate of sponsorship course. If your course is for 5 years, you can apply for indefinite leave to remain ILR at the end of that period. If it's for less than 5 years, you may need to extend your visa to reach the 5-year mark. You can set up a variety of businesses to qualify for the sponsored visa, including sectors like financial services, hospitality, construction, healthcare, and more. There's a comprehensive list of applicable sectors where you can start your sponsorship company, which I'll link in the description below. To qualify, you need to have experience, skills, or qualifications relevant to the business you want to start. While there's no minimum investment, you must prove you have adequate funds to support your business plans. Additionally, you need to demonstrate English language proficiency at a B1 level. You'll also need a UK-style CV and cover letter that outlines your job responsibilities. If you're unsure how to create these, feel free to reach out for assistance. The application process. 1. Establish a UK company. Register your business and apply for a sponsor license. If you're a non-UK resident, you'll need to appoint a UK-based director. This process usually takes about 6 to 8 weeks. 2. Create an HR pack. Prepare necessary policies and procedures for sponsoring yourself as a skilled worker. This typically takes around 2 days. 3. Obtain a certificate of sponsorship cause. This unique number is essential for your skilled worker visa application. The entire process can be done online and usually takes 4 to 12 weeks. That's a wrap on how you can self-sponsor your move to the UK. For more immigration tips, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your application.